Now, at this point, we have our git log command with all of these options, dash dash one line, dash dash graph, dash dash decorate, and dash dash all. Now, let's say this is a git log command that we use all the time, maybe multiple times a day. And typing this out every single time can get pretty frustrating. It's a lot to type every time you want to use a git command. And this is where those git shortcuts come into play that we talked about earlier. We can actually create a shortcut to this git log command with all of these options and create what's called a git alias that will point to this command every time we type that git alias. It's really helpful. Let's go ahead and remove this from our command line, and we'll go ahead and run clear to bring this back up to the top of our command prompt. So instead of running this git log dash dash one line dash dash graph dash dash decorate dash dash all, let's go ahead and create an alias for this. Now, there are three ways that we can create aliases, three different levels, if you will. If we type git config dash dash system, system is that very first level. Think of this as maybe a workstation computer. If you set up system configurations, it's going to affect everyone who works on that system computer. So if there are multiple people working on this workstation and you don't want to set up a configuration that affects every user on that system, then you may not want to use system. So that is our first level. One level down is going to be based on our user. And this is global. This global configuration setting will affect your user with any Git repository that you work in. Based on our user. And this is global. This global configuration setting will affect your user with any Git repository that you work in. Whether you're in GitHub Games, as we are now, or you switch over to another Git repository, any configuration in the dash dash global will affect all of your Git repositories. Moving down to our last, we have dash dash local. Now, dash dash local is only going to affect the